Hey Wanderlusters, I'm Vadim from My Sky Help, your expert in uncovering Europe's best-kept secrets. Forget the crowds. Today I'm sharing 8 magical spots you absolutely must visit before everyone else does. Let's go! You've seen Paris, Rome, Barcelona. They're amazing. But let's be real. Sometimes you just want to escape the tourist traps, right? You crave that authentic, breathtaking experience that feels like it's just for you. Well, you're in luck. I've crisscrossed this incredible continent to find those exact places. These aren't just pretty spots, they're unique, unforgettable destinations that are about to explode in popularity. So grab a pen, because you're going to want to add these to your bucket list. Starting off our list at number 8, we head to the enchanting region of Alsace, France, to the town of Colmar. If you've ever dreamt of stepping into a real-life fairy tale, this is it. Picture cobblestone streets, vibrant, flower-adorned, half-timbered houses, and canals winding through the Little Venice district. It's got all the charm of Strasbourg, but with a more intimate storybook feel. Perfect for a romantic getaway or a quiet escape. Don't forget to try the local Flammkuchen. Next, we're swapping fairy tales for dramatic fjords in Kotor, Montenegro. Often called Europe's southernmost fjord, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is truly a spectacle. The ancient fortified city sits nestled at the foot of towering mountains, with crystal-clear waters reflecting its beauty. Climb the old city walls for breathtaking panoramic views that will leave you speechless. It's got the historical depth of Dubrovnik, but without the intense crowds and price tags. A true Adriatic treasure. From the warm Adriatic to the wild North Atlantic, our third gem is the incredibly raw and dramatic Faroe Islands, part of Denmark. This archipelago is a hiker's paradise, a photographer's dream, and a nature lover's ultimate escape. Imagine towering sea stacks, turf-roofed houses, and an otherworldly landscape that changes with every cloud. It's not for the faint of heart, but for those seeking an epic adventure away from civilization. The Faroes deliver an unparalleled experience. Just pack warm layers. Now, let's journey back in time to Matera, Italy, one of the oldest continually inhabited settlements in the world. This UNESCO site in southern Italy is famous for its sassi, ancient cave dwellings carved into the rock face. Walking through Matera feels like stepping onto a film set, with a unique blend of history, culture, and stunning views. It's undergoing a renaissance, transforming from a place of poverty to a breathtaking travel destination. Experience history like nowhere else before everyone else discovers it. Moving east, we find Plovdiv, Bulgaria, Europe's oldest continuously inhabited city. This vibrant hub is a fascinating blend of ancient Roman history, Ottoman influences, and a thriving modern art scene. Explore the stunning Roman amphitheater, wander through the colorful streets of the Kapana art district, and soak in the bohemian atmosphere. Plovdiv offers a rich cultural experience at a fraction of the cost of Western European cities. It's Eastern Europe's hidden gem, just waiting to be explored. Back to the Alps for our next stop, the impossibly picturesque village of Hallstatt, Austria. Perched on the shores of Lake Hallstatt with dramatic mountains rising around it, this place is often called the most beautiful lakeside village in the world. It looks like it came straight out of a postcard. While it's gaining popularity, visiting off-season or early in the morning allows you to truly soak in its tranquil beauty. Explore its ancient salt mine or simply enjoy the breathtaking views. It's pure magic. For our penultimate gem, we head to Ghent, Belgium, a city with all the medieval charm of Bruges, but with a vibrant, youthful energy and far fewer tourists. Its stunning architecture, picturesque canals, and impressive Gravenstein Castle will transport you back in time. But Ghent also boasts a thriving student scene, incredible street art, and a fantastic culinary landscape. It's the perfect blend of history and modernity, waiting for you to discover its unique vibe. And finally, our number 1 hidden gem, a place so unique it's known as the Silent City, Mdina, Malta. This ancient fortified city, once the capital of Malta, is a breathtaking maze of narrow, winding streets, grand palaces, and medieval architecture. With no cars allowed, the only sounds you'll hear are your own footsteps echoing off the limestone walls. It's an incredibly atmospheric, almost spiritual experience. Explore its history, enjoy stunning views across the island, and truly feel like you've stepped into another time. This is a must-see before the secret gets out. Wow, what an incredible journey through Europe's hidden treasures. From the fairy-tale streets of Colmar to the silent alleys of Mdina, these places offer something truly special for every traveler. Don't let these gems become overrun before you get a chance to experience their magic. Which one are you adding to your itinerary first? Let me know in the comments below. If you loved this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic travel tips and hidden gems, and share this with your travel buddy. Every week, I'm bringing you new insights to make your adventures unforgettable. Thanks for watching, and happy travels! Enjoy these last glimpses of Europe's magic. Here's something special. Drop a comment below with your favorite travel tip or a unique destination you've discovered. We'll read through every single one, and in our next video, we'll feature your comment, share your location or advice, and give you a proper shout-out. See you next time!